Some of the other things, we got these Mega Banger 6-piece artillery canister, mini artillery canister. Six-piece standard artilleries. Mad Bomber. And then these come different ones, High Roller, Joker, Roll Flush. They're a cake. They're 16-shot cake. Then we got some 100-shot Saturn missile batteries. We got some cheap 4-pack and cheap 6-pack Roman candles here. Got some fuse in, 10-foot fuse. Little 7-shot Black Cat, 48-shot little single color pearls. 36-shot bling bling. Green bling bling with purple stars is red, blue, and white bling bling, red and green bouquets with time delay bling bling, and 6-shot finale crackling bling bling. 36 shots. Those are pretty good, I'm pretty sure. Got some of these willows, very limited number, but and that's it. That's the first little load here, but much more is coming. These are the different ones out of one of these Night of the Grizzlies that I'm breaking down. But I also have the Midnight Celebration assortment here, which is pretty dang good. Got some mid-sized cakes, some artillery. Yeah, it's all aerial stuff too. Mega shells and rockets and all kinds of things. Ugh. And then the Night of the Grizz artillery shell set, which is just uncalled for. So big. So I'm breaking some of those down because there's no medium-sized shell sets. If you've heard, if you know anything about what's going on with fireworks, yeah, it's a catastrophe. There's no stock. Problems at the ports, problems in China, problems importing it. Prices have gone way up. And, you know, so like those they had was like the mini canister artillery or these Night of the Grizz massive sets of artillery, nothing in between. So I'm just gonna break these down. Each Night of the Grizz, yeah, they already kind of come broke down. There's like a 8-pack, 6-pack, yeah. So that's what I'll do. Anyways, stay tuned for more updates coming soon. Join my Facebook group below if you're interested. And yeah, we'll get them to you. We'll get it done. If you're interested in something, hit me up. We'll make it happen somehow. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day. All right, we're gonna open this. Wide here. Yeah, very cool. All right, quick video tour here before the phone dies. Night of the Grizz set. I don't know how many shells. It doesn't even say. But it's a lot. Midnight Celebration assortment. You got artillery shells, a bunch of mid-sized cakes. We've got Mad Hornet artillery shell 6-pack, Mega Banger artillery shell mini canister, Saturn missiles. We've got some fuse in, got some Roman candles, some little pearl shots, some Black Cat Desert at Night, willows, bling bling, Joker. These 3 16-shotters come, you get a different one. It's all sorted. And we got bling bling 36 shots. That's a real good one. A little 7-shot Black Cat and some little Roman candle packs. That's basically it for the new stuff. There's a few other things I had to pick up pretty much at retail, but they are for sale here. Yeah, the Roman candles. Some little things of firecracker. And 150s. A little more things of firecracker here. And that's it for the new stuff for now. Yeah. Gonna go far, especially when you're buying these sets.